everybody. Welcome back to Miss B's virtual art classroom. This is episode 5. I decided I needed a sign. I am so excited for our project today. We are going to be traveling back in time to the 70s, and I am going to teach you guys how to make your own tie-dye paper out of just common household items. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own tie-dye outfit, and you can make your own poster, your own sign, whatever you decide to make out of your tie-dye paper. Now, I realized last week I totally forgot a phrase of the day. So today's phrase of the day is groovy. And I haven't had a special guest in a while. So today I have a very special guest. It's my corn plant. Great. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The materials you'll need are sheets of foil, sheets of thick paper like cardstock, a bowl of water and paper towel, regular water-based markers, a pencil, scissors, and permanent markers for decorating. Regular black markers will work for this as well. Make sure you put something protective underneath your paper to conceal the mess. Let's start by cutting out the shirt. Fold your paper in half, grab your pencil, and draw a curved line at the top of your paper and horizontal line at the bottom of your paper. These should be drawn on the creased side of your paper, not the part you can open. Then draw a sleeve coming off the top curve and a vertical straight line connecting the sleeve to the bottom horizontal line. Next, take your scissors and cut along the line carefully, keeping your paper folded. Make sure you do not cut along the creased side of the paper. When it's all cut out, open it up and see that you have a perfectly symmetrical shirt. That means it's the same on both sides. Let's put the shirt to the side and cut out our pants. Fold your second paper in half and start with a horizontal line at the top. Make sure it's the same size as your shirt when it's folded in half. Then make a diagonal line all the way to the bottom of the paper. Make a smaller diagonal line on the creased side of the paper to the bottom as well. When you're done, cut along the lines, this time cutting part of the creased side along that smaller diagonal line. Now let's get tie-dyeing. Grab your first piece of foil and markers. Use whatever colors you'd like and scribble little patches of each color on your foil. I find it works best if you pick only a few colors and repeat them in circular firework patches until the foil is filled. The best part about this process is that your coloring doesn't need to be neat. Scribbles work perfectly fine, and this might be the only time you ever hear me saying that. After your foil is filled with colorful scribbles, grab your shirt, bowl of water, and paper towel. Dip the paper towel in the water and carefully coat your shirt in water, making sure all parts of the paper are wet. Once this is done, grab your foil, lay the colorful side onto the shirt, and press down, getting all areas of the shirt. This is why having something underneath is so important, unless of course your parents want a rainbow table. After about 20 seconds, lift the foil and see the tie-dye magic. Put it to the side to dry, and let's get to tie-dyeing our paper pants. Make sure to grab another sheet of foil and repeat the whole process that you did with the shirt. If you have extra supplies, feel free to dye a full sheet of paper like me, or even cut out and dye more articles of clothing or objects. You can even experiment with using different colors or different scribble patterns on your foil. After your papers are completely dry, grab your Sharpies or markers and give your outfit a design. Maybe think of a positive saying or message and some doodles to go along with it. Don't forget to add buttons, pockets, sleeve designs, zippers, or whatever else you can think of. For my full paper, I decided to make a poster to a 70s dance party. What can you make? Here are my finished products. I can't wait to see yours too.